Well everybody, I'm back down the syndicate the week after the haul. Bank holiday weekend, 23rd of August. Down here, it's the Friday night, down here till the Monday. Hopefully manage to have a few. I reckon if I have 4 or 5 I'll be lucky. The fish don't seem to be held up in one area like they were last week. The lake was pretty free when I got down here about 3 o'clock, but now all of a sudden it's got absolutely rammed. I don't know if you can see in the car park over the far side, but there's quite a few cars coming in. Doesn't make things very easy, but we shall see. Right, this week I'm in a swim called Duck Hide, which is pretty much the opposite side of the lake where I was fishing last week. As I said, this side was free. I jumped in there about 3 o'clock. I know it's quite clear out there, quite a clear bottom. A little check with the lead, and pretty much there's a massive silky clear area out there, you know, you can't miss it really. So what I did was, got a comfortable range, found a nice sort of donk down the lead when I cast it out, so I've clipped it up, got my 2 bank sticks 12 foot apart, gone round at 15 and 3/4 turns around the bank sticks for my range, and that's on all 3 rods. I've got all 3 rods fishing the same way as well as I did last week. I've got them all on hybrid leg clips, the dark matter tubing from Corda, end trap soft from Corda, hook link material in a 20 pound, just tied knotless knot. I've got one on a snowman and one on a standard 20mm bottom bait. The other one's on a 20mm bottom bait as well. Both on the Mistral boardies as well. So hopefully they'll do the damage. It's just a pain in the backside really, these gulls, because you can't get any bait in the swim until it's literally pitch black, which isn't ideal, but I'd rather do that than, you know, waste boilies with them eating them every 5 minutes. So fingers crossed I have one, and the next report will be me with a fish in my hands. There's only one way of actually getting the boilies out into the swim. I mean, the seagulls out there are ridiculous, there's about 20 or 30 of them. So what I'm doing is, it's a boilie rocket from Corda, the Skywinder. Just whacking probably 15 baits, filling it about 3/4, dunk it in the water, flicking out into the spot. One of those moments, you know, when you're sitting in the bivvy and you think, don't get a run now, it's going to be,
no.
It's absolutely pouring down.
Yeah.
Just had this PB common, it's a bit lively, 25 pound dead. It is the same fish you had, Simon, isn't it?
I don't think it is, mate.
You don't think it is?
No.
The mouth's a bit...
No, it's not, mate. It's not the same fish. No, I didn't have them marks on there, mate. I don't know.
I've lost a bit of weight. You have to look at the pictures.
I'll check it out, mate. But that looks very, very similar, doesn't it?
That's not right starting at, I suppose.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, just landed that 25 pound common, which is a PB common for me. Like I said in the video before, I was sitting in the bivvy, it was absolutely pouring down. I thought, don't get a run, don't get a run. And stupidly, I run out there with no blooming coat, no hat, and I got drenched. But it was worth it in the end. I caught it at probably 1 o'clock. So I'd done the night. The night was pretty uneventful, really. No fish, no liners, no nothing. And then the morning normally is the time where you can normally sort of buy a bite, you know, from any swim in it. But the morning passed by, no action. I was thinking about changing rigs. You know, you doubt yourself. But I stuck with my guns, left the rods out there, and the middle rod pulled up and whizzed off. I was just having a chat with my mate on the phone actually. He's fishing another syndicate, quite a difficult one up in Northamptonshire. And I said to him, he was saying, "Oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that." I said, "No, stick to your guns, mate, because if you've got something that works for you and it's worked for you in the past, I always say just stick with it. If the fish want to feed, you know, you're going to get pickups on the rig that you've had, you know, pickups on before. It's just if the fish are in the mood and if they're in front of you." But it's not a bad start. 25 common. Caught on a 20mm bottom bait. So yeah, fingers crossed I can go on and hopefully bag a couple more. I've still got 2 nights, 3 days left. So just hopefully just build on it. It's about an hour after the common, 25 common. I've had an absolute stunner. I mean, fish don't get a lot better than this. It was only £22 too, but she's angry. Got angry fish when they look like this bad boy. Complain. Scale pattern on that. Apple slice mirror. £22 too. 60 to 70 yard range. Single 20mm hook bait. It's doing the damage for me. But what a fish. It's very, very early on Sunday morning. I've had an absolute screaming take, and then fish took line straight away, which is unusual really, because every other one hasn't. An absolute gorgeous £27 one leather carp. I mean, these leathers are quite rare nowadays, and this one's quite recognisable because there's a bit of a chunk taken out of his tail. We hoist him up. Oh. Oh, there she is. £27 one. Leather. Taking the bank holiday, the August bank holiday weekend. Sunday morning, early hours. Seem to be on them now. Still got another night, another morning left, so fingers crossed I'll have some more. Right, it's 8 minutes past 8 on a Sunday night. It's my last night on the lake before I can pack up and go home, work next week. 3 fish so far, 3 20s, so not bad really. There's a lot more pressure on the lake tonight. I mean, it's absolutely packed. It's rammed, every swim's taken, which isn't good. Boxed in now, it's got people both sides casting across. So not really hopeful of another bite, but it'd be nice to have one. Fingers crossed, one more fish would be nice. Right, it's come to the end of my session now. It's the Monday morning. Last night was uneventful for me. No more fish. So I've only had 3 fish, 3 20s. So I can't really complain. Following footage is probably going to be Chris. He's turning up in about an hour or so. He's going to jump in here behind me. He's going to fish till Wednesday. So we'll see how the swim develops. You know, see if he has, you know, any fish off my bait that I've put out. It's good for a bite, so it's a bit of a shame that I'm leaving, but Chris is going to jump in, so you know, he might do a little bit better than me. Probably will, to be fair, because a little bit less pressure in the week, so. But we shall see. Anyway, that's it from me. And that's blog number 2 complete.
Still in the same swim. First take of the session resulted in this nice 23-pound leather. Down here till Wednesday, so hopefully get a couple more out. What a way to start a session. Get in.